Hi friends, welcome to Sri Sai IT Hub. In this video of Core Java Programming, we are going to discuss the following topic: PrintWriter class in Java character IO streams. So first of all, let us try to understand what are IO streams in Java. IO. So IO stands for input output. Then what is stream? So stream means flow of data from source to destination in a Java program. So basically in Java, we have two types of streams. First one, input streams. So input streams are also called as reading streams. They will read the data from source into the Java program, and generally the source is keyboard. From keyboard, we are going to read the data into the Java program. And second one, we have output streams. So output streams are nothing but writing streams. So in writing streams, we are going to write the data from Java program onto the destination. And generally the destination is monitor, display, or output screen. And to work with Java IO streams, we have java.io package. So in this java.io package, we have different input stream classes and different output stream classes, using which we can perform reading operations and writing operations efficiently in a Java program. So now coming to the concept of PrintWriter class in Java character IO streams. So basically here IO streams in Java are classified into two types. First one, byte streams. So in byte streams, we will perform reading and writing operations 1 byte at a time. So reading or writing is done 1 byte of data at a time in a Java program. And these classes are example, input stream abstract class, output stream abstract class, and all its subclasses. Next, coming to the second type, character streams. So character streams, here we will perform reading operation and writing operation of data 2 bytes at a time in a Java program. So in byte streams, 1 byte at a time. In character streams, 2 bytes at a time. So the advantage is performance of reading operations and writing operations increases in a program. And internally, character streams uses byte streams classes to perform the operations of reading and writing. So similar to input stream class and output stream class, in character streams we have reader abstract class, writer abstract class, and its subclasses. So reader and writer are the top level classes, base classes in character streams. So now coming to PrintWriter class. So PrintWriter class is a character IO stream class. It is available in java.io package. So what is the use of this class? So this class, it is used to write any data type data to the output stream or output writer in the form of text format only. So file, monitor, it will write data onto the file or monitor as 2 bytes character data in text format only. So it will write the data in text format only. So whether we write integer data, whether we write floating data, whether we write character data or boolean data, it will be written onto the output stream in different only in text format only. So different data types, text format. So this is same as print stream class in byte streams. So coming to the hierarchy goes like this. So print writer class, it is similar to print stream class, and it is inherited from writer abstract class, which is similar to output stream class. So now coming to constructors and methods. So the constructors and methods goes like this. So if you see the description, java p-p java.io.printwriter. So go to the command prompt and your working directory and give the command. Right, so print writer class. So print writer class, first of all, it is inherited from writer class, and then this is a constructor print writer. So here the parameter writer is, we have to pass file writer, and we have print writer which is file writer boolean. So boolean indicates auto flush. So whenever we give flush method, then only the data will be written onto the file. So here in the first case we have to give flush. In the second case, if we give boolean as true, automatically as and when we are writing, the data will be written onto the file. And next we can also give print writer output stream. So output stream means something like, we can give file output stream, which is byte stream, or system.out. It will print the data onto the display or monitor. So we have one more constructor, print writer output stream comma boolean. So here also boolean indicates true auto flush. As and when we are writing, the data will be written onto the output stream or output writer. Otherwise we have to give flush method explicitly. And then we also have print writer string. So string is directly the file name, and here we'll get FileNotFoundException. Next, coming to the methods. So we have write methods which are inherited from base class. Write single integer data as character data. Write character array data. Write string data. So these are inherited from base class. Flush. So when we give flush, then only the data will be written onto the output stream or output writer, which is basically file or system.out monitor. And then close. So when we close also, it will flush and close. That is a specialty of close method, and its own methods are like this, same like print stream class. We have 9 overloaded print methods which will print any data type data as a text format onto the output stream or output writer. Boolean, character data, int, long, float, double, character array, string data, object data. And similarly here we have 10 println method. So println methods means after printing it will take the new line automatically. So same methods, one extra method which will print empty line. So these are its own methods. 9 overloaded print methods and 10 overloaded println methods. So these are the 5 important constructors with auto flush. So 9 overloaded and 10 overloaded printing methods. We don't get any exception here, but for this constructor we get FileNotFoundException. And then flush, it will flush the data from memory, and that data will be written onto the output stream or writer. And then close the output stream, which is basically a file. Right. So important point goes like this. So data from memory is written onto the output stream or writer only if we perform flush or close. So if we don't have Boolean option, then we have to go for this. So output stream or writer. So let us try to demonstrate this with a small program. So FileWriter class example1.java. So let us take a new page. So first we'll write the comments. Program to write data on a file using PrintWriter class. So file or display. system.out. So import java.io package. So take main class with main method. So PrintWriter class example 1 with main method. So since we may get FileNotFoundException, or if you are using the base class write methods IOException, so for safe side we'll put the complete logic of PrintWriter in try block and then catch exception e print exception type and message. Right, so first we'll create an object of FileWriter. We want to print data directly onto the file using PrintWriter, and we are opening a file ddd.txt. Right, and then this FileWriter object we are associating with PrintWriter class object. So PrintWriter pw is equals to new PrintWriter, and then pw, so PrintWriter dot println, so 1001 integer data, sci which is text data, core java which is text data, so 5000.00f. so this is floating data, and we'll take one more also, boolean data true, and then we'll take one character data also, something like a. Right, so one integer data, next object data or string data, next floating data, boolean data, and then character data. Right, so after that we'll say flush, and then close PrintWriter and FileWriter. So save this program. So this complete data should be written onto the file, which is ddd.txt. Right, so open the command prompt, go to your working directory and compile the program FileWriter class example1.java. So no error, run it. Right, so where is the data? Open the notepad, ddd.txt. Right, so inside the notepad we don't have any data, so let us close this. Right, so save the program properly. Next, come to the command prompt, recompile, and then run it. Open the notepad, ddd.txt. So still we don't have the data inside the file, so let us check it out. What is the issue? Right, so here we are supposed to compile PrintWriter, so but we are compiling FileWriter, so let us compile PrintWriter. PrintWriter will write onto the FileWriter. Right, so compile it, no error, and then run it. So open the notepad, ddd.txt. So 1001 sci core java 5000.0 true a. So every data is written onto the file in text format. So let us see another case here. So we'll put a comment for first two lines, and then directly here we'll take PrintWriter pw is equals to new PrintWriter system.out. Okay, initially we'll remove this boolean value true. So system.out indicates file, sorry, it indicates monitor, standard output device monitor. Right, so recompile the program, and then right, so cannot find symbol fw, so from the last we will remove FileWriter.close, save it. So when we say flush, then only data will be written onto the display system.out. Right, so recompile and run. Right, so when we say flush, then only the data will come onto the display output screen system.out. So now what we'll do, here we will say thread.sleep 5000 milliseconds, which is 5 seconds. So when we say pw.println all these things, at that time the data will not be written onto the output screen. When we say flush, then only the data will be written onto the output screen. So let us check it out. Right, clear screen, recompile and run. So if you see here, the thread is sleeping for 5 seconds, 3, 4, 5, and after that it is printing onto the output screen. Once again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Flush, written onto the output screen. So now what we'll do is we will make this as true. So when we say true, as and when we are writing the data, it will be auto flushed. So let us check it out. Save this, recompile and run. So the data has already been written. Wait for 5 seconds, thread.sleep, and then end of the program. So this is what is the difference between auto flush true, which we are supposed to pass to the constructor while creating the object of PrintWriter. And this is going to work with output stream also. And it is going to work with FileWriter also. Right. So next we'll see how to write the data directly on a file eee.txt, and this constructor throws FileNotFoundException. Right. So save this, and then so here we don't require thread.sleep because it is not visible on the output screen, because data will go directly onto the file. Clear screen, recompile the program, run it. So the data is available in eee.txt. So this is how we are supposed to work with 3 types of constructors: one with FileWriter, second one with output string, and third one with directly string file name. So that is what is all about PrintWriter class, which is capable of writing any data type data onto the output stream or output writer using its print methods and println methods. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, comment and share this video, and also subscribe to the YouTube channel Sri Sai IT Hub. Have a nice day.